Today, we're going to tell you about some exciting changes available with the latest software update for your Garmin smartwatch and cycling computers. A complete list of the supported products for this release is in the description. You will automatically receive the update if your device is paired with the Garmin Connect smartphone application or if you have enabled Wi-Fi sync. First, we will cover the new What's New prompt that will now appear after you install the latest software on your device. This screen provides key details for the updates available on your Garmin device. You can also scan the QR code to find out more about the software update. Next, let's talk about the new glance, Health Status. The Health Status feature offers a glimpse into your overall health and wellness. It measures your typical ranges for several key health metrics and lets you know if your current status is within or out of range. To view your 7-day history, add the glance to your glance list. Then, open it to view your insights and see any feedback. This update also includes some system enhancements. These will make using your device even better. One of these additions is an updated notification prompt. When you receive a notification, the pop-up window will now be more refined and provides better clarity on actions you can make. Your watch can now change the keyboard language to a different locale other than your device's set language. You can access this feature within the keyboard system menu. When you change the preferred keyboard language, you can make this the default when sending messages. You can quickly change between them from the keyboard screen. Your Garmin smartwatch is now compatible with the Approach CT1 Club tags. See our video for help setting up your Approach CT1 Club tags and enable club tracking on your watch. Select Garmin smartwatches now support the Garmin Golf membership via the Garmin Golf app. This grants access to premium course view maps, touch targeting, plays like distance, and green contours. The Garmin Golf membership gives you access to a variety of premium golf features with options for monthly or annual memberships, so you can stay on top of your game year-round. The Garmin Golf membership can be purchased and activated through the Garmin Golf smartphone application. First-time users will also have access to a 30-day free trial. In this next section, we will cover additions added to the Garmin Instinct product line. Let's start with some additional glances now available on your watch. Your watch now includes the Stocks glance to view stock updates from your wrist. It also includes a standalone recovery glance to give you suggestions on how long you should recover after activities. Additionally, there is a new morning report card that will give you insights about your day. Your watch also includes the mobility activity. Mobility provides workouts to help with your wellness. These can be added from the Garmin Connect smartphone application and sent to your device. Your Instinct smartwatch now has access to execution score. After you complete a running or cycling workout, your smartwatch will now provide an execution score to let you know how close your efforts aligned with the planned activity target. It will account for your pace, power, and heart rate to determine the score. Next, we will cover some additions for your Garmin Edge cycling computer. This first edition adds more features from our previous software update. This new edition lets you assign gear types to multiple activities and group your gear into a collection. This makes it easier to copy gear to activity types that you use the same gear with. With this improvement, you can add new types of gear including bike parts, ski and snowboard gear, jackets, running shoes, and much more. You can even add notes or a photo of your gear. Select Garmin Edge cycling computers now allow you to assign your gear to your activities. It will display the gear on the post-activity screen. Here, you can assign individual gear or gear collections to your activities. Your Garmin Edge cycling computer now supports pairing to compatible Bosch eBikes. This will provide data including power, cadence, the battery level, and estimated range for your e-bike. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the latest software for your Garmin smartwatch and cycling computer. To learn more about your product, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit us at support.garmin.com.